in fact, our request to all concerned is to kindly don't spread out any news which is affecting peace, tranquility, and the peaceful state of Meghalaya. I would request all of them to refrain from this kind of spreading the rumors in the social media. Because see, ultimately, I think you must have seen it. Even those permanent residents, whom we call it Bengali community, they came out with a very good statement. They said, in fact, no harassment done by the local people. So that itself you understand. And from the government side, I would like to only request all the concerned, please don't add fuel. Don't add fuel in this issue, because we live together, we grow together in Meghalaya, and we are one. Don't say that you are non-tribal, or don't say that you are tribal, but we are one as brothers and sisters.